Hello, my name is Steve 3D. Thanks for watching my channel. And today I'm going to show you a simple solution to shut down your printer completely after he stopped his print job. So keep watching. With a couple of components like an end stop, a buck converter, a time relay, and push pull spool, you can shut down your printer totally after the print job is completed, so you stop wasting electricity. You have to print a couple of components like this box for your bucket converter and a time relay, this lever for your out switch, this lid for closing the box, this second lid as an adapter for your cooling fan, and then the V-slot for mounting spacer on profiles. You have to print two of them, the spacer himself, and then the support for your out push pull spool, also the support for your end stop. You have to buy this buck converter that converts 24 DC to 12 volt DC. Then you have to buy this end stop for your bed. Then you have to buy inserts to make the connections, M3 inserts. Then you have to buy this on and off switch spool, 12 volt DC, and also this timer relay. You can adjust the time from 0 to 60 seconds time delay, and then this ventilator. I all purchased it from the site Banggood, and I will put the links into the description. First you have to mount this end switch here onto this holder, and then you can mount this holder here. You slide him over so the bed just passes through and clicks the end switch. You have to also wire it. Make sure the wires are long enough that you can easily put them through here. So now for the assembly part, you have the two V-slots. There you have to put in the inserts of M3. Then you have the spacer, and then you have the support for the push pull spool. You have to place the spacer, the V-slots, into the profile of your printer. Then you mount the spacer with bolts M3 onto the V-slots, and then you mount the support for the push pull spool onto the spacer, like you see here on this setup. Then for the assembly of the boxes for your electrical components, you have to print here two boxes, one for your wiring and your connections, and then one for your electronic components. You have to print two lids to close them, and then you have to print one ventilator adapter. And then I will show you how the assembly looks like. So this is one box for your electronic components, one box for all your wiring, and then this one to close the box, and an adapter here for your ventilator. Then you have to also place a lever, glue it onto your on-off switch, and attach a little spring, because the force of the push-pull spool is not enough
to push directly on the on-off switch. So you have to have a lever to increase the force of your push-pull spool.
This is the wiring diagram. You take the 24 volt DC main power source of your 3D printer. The plus goes in the buck converter, the negative side goes in the buck converter. The buck converter converts the 24 volt DC into 12 volt DC out. The plus side goes to one end of the end switch. The other end of the end switch goes to the out of the timer relay. Here you make a shunt and then goes in the inside of the timer relay. The negative one goes to one side of the push-pull and also one side of the in from the timer relay. And here you also take the out of the timer relay. The plus side goes to the other side of the push-pull main switch. In case you have a 24 volts DC ventilator, you can connect this on here. So when you switch on your printer, it immediately starts running. Or when you have a 12 volt DC ventilator, you can connect them here. That's it, you guys, for now. Thank you for watching my channel. This video is a step-by-step guide to make this automatic power off solution. It's a lot of parts. It's a big challenge, but it's very fun to do, and you will enjoy it a lot. So when you have any questions, please ask me through TikTok. The links of the parts are in the description down below. Also watch my Code 3D account. Thank you and keep watching.